Hello everyone. In the previous video we learned about the financial budget. Now we are going to learn about the analytic budget. To enable the analytic budget in Odoo, we need to enable some configuration. So first go to the accounting setting, then search for the analytic. Enable the analytic accounting and budget management boolean. So these two things are the core part of the analytic budget. After enabling this, you can see in the accounting configuration there will be analytic accounts, distribution models and plans will be visible. Let's check one by one. So first, analytic plan. By default Odoo provides 3 analytic plan: project, departments, internal. You can either create a new one or also use the same one. For example, if we take a overview of the project, so name should be there. We can also define the parent accounting analytic plan, applicability of the analytic plan, whether it should be optional, mandatory or unavailable. Also in this applicability tab you can add the domain, like for the invoice, vendor bills or any other type of where it should be used. You can use the financial account prefix, that only for the 40 starting account can be used. You can also define the product category, that it should be applied to only food, furniture or anywhere else. You can define the company. Also the applicability same, that it should be optional, mandatory or unavailable. After the analytic plans, we can create the analytic accounts. In the analytic account, if we going to create a new, then let's create one analytic demo account, where you can select the customer, that for only this customer this account should be applied. Also select the plan, that for which analytic plan should be here. We are selecting the project plan. You can select the company, that for this company only it will be applied. Now after this there is the one more, analytic distribution model. Here we can select that for which account prefix this should be applied. For example 20, for which partner it should be applied, for which product this should be applied, for which company it should be applied, and the analytic distribution means that for how much quantity or in how much percentage it should be divided. For example, if we select this project, these departments, and here add it as these 60%, then in the second line we are selecting the administrative department, and for this it should be split 40%. Means whatever the budget, whatever the accounting entries will be created for this project and the administrative department, that will be distributed like this. It will be applied 60% to the CME corporation project and 40% to the department administrative budget. Now after creating this, we will create an budget for. So now let's create a budget for this. In the accounting we can see the analytic budget. You can see the existing budget as well. We will create a new one, where we'll give the name budget demo. Who will be responsible? Budget type. There should be 3 budget type. One is the expense, second is the revenue, and third is the both. In the budget type, we will select the expense for now. Expense means to control the cost. Revenue means to track the expected income. Both means when profitability tracking is required for both. We will select the period for this month to this month. It should be applied. We will select the company and add the budget lines. Means for which project this should be applied. We have selected Analytic account, this Analytic demo account, and how much the budget should be there. So it will be 10. Now we need to open this budget. After this, whatever the entries which are going to create inside this Analytic account will be came under this budget. Here there is the budgeted, committed and achieved amount. Budgeted means what the budget is targeted. Committed means what are the amounts which are currently purchased but not yet invoiced or billed. Achieved means whatever the amount of bill is created. So this is the overview of the Analytic budget. Thank you.